In this video, I'll guide you through finding a power cable part number on the Qualtek website. Once you have the part number, you can easily order it from a distributor. Although it seems like a straightforward task, these websites are not always user-friendly. Here is the description of the power cord. First, we should understand the meaning of NEMA 5-15P and IEC 60320-C13. NEMA stands for National Electrical Manufacturer Association, and a NEMA 5-15P is a two-pole with a grand plug. IEC is a set of standards published by the International Electrotechnical Commission. The first edition of the standard was published in 1970 under the designation IEC 320. It was renumbered to IEC 60320 in 1994. So, instead of looking for a IEC 320-C13, we will be looking for an IEC 60320-C13. Let's find a suitable cable on the Qualtek website. To do this, enter the details from our original description into the filters of the site. For some reason, you have to refresh the screen every time you select a filter.
This is a very fluid job. Well, and this is the thing. So I'm starting this reply to Dale. Can you please update the DIR to include the final work instructions? The draft copy of the DIR is not up to date. I will engage with our group one estimator as the cable plate calls for EH3060. When I asked Graham about that, he had no idea what that was. It's a Chinese spec. No, it's a U.S. shipbuilding standard. Oh, okay. Because that thing is made in China. Okay. The thing made in China is probably not EH36, but the piece of paper.
The temperature rating was not specified, so the higher rating is selected. Wire color code and shielding was not specified. You don't have to select anything or select what you believe is best.
I've got a drawing that doesn't list a finish. I've got an authentic document dated April 17th after all this stuff was started. And like what I see they've added in here, they added something about the dimensional.
Part number 312021-01 matches our specifications. We can now use the part number on a distributor's website. Note that the distributor is using IEC 320-C13 in the description, while Qualtek uses the more accurate number IEC 60320-C13. Also note that C13 stands for a female connector.